do a dash swap. Dash is not in the best condition, but I'm gonna make it work. Sorry for the noise in the background, it's a laser running, but I gotta fix all this. I gotta cut some of this out, all right here. I gotta cut all this out. I gotta make new vents to go here and here. Well, here and here, these two. So I gotta cut all this out, refoam everything, fiberglass it, poly prime it. I've already epoxied this piece down here, but it's lifting on this part right here. So I'm gonna epoxy all that down, and then come back and knock everything down here, get everything back smooth. A couple parts here, there's some cracks, so I know what to attack that. Cut all this out, 2-part foam it. Cut everything out. All this piece here, cut all this out to match the dash. So yeah, I mean, I should probably have it done in a couple days. All this got to get cut out to match the contour of the dash. So, like I said, I went ahead and knocked all this down. See these cracks? I gotta address all that because you can't really find this dash anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix everything, all this taken care of, and then it's gonna be covered in suede. So that's what we got. Another one.